Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Zebyl Engagement Center and Messaging for Business video tutorial series. In this episode, we will discuss receiving and sending text messages over your business landline telephone number. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zebyl portal and head over to the message board. Incoming messages sent from cell phones to your landline telephone number pop in on the message board in real time. Audio and visual notifications are provided in the portal to draw the attention of logged-in agents and users. If a new message is sent from an unknown contact, the message will be listed under the ID provided by the channel. For example, a text message from an unknown cell phone will be tagged as the cell phone number when displayed in the message board. Since it's easier to identify contacts by names, you can easily assign names to contact numbers by clicking on the edit icon on top of the message board. You can also achieve the same by clicking on the contacts menu on the left side of the portal to open the contact page. You can then find and edit someone's contact information here. Of course, we all agree that it's important to respond to inbound messages in a timely fashion, so let's discuss sending messages from your landline telephone number as well. Once again, you should be logged into your Zebyl portal and head over to the message board. To send a response to a message, simply type it in the Type Your Message area and click Send. Notice that a character counter keeps track of the number of characters typed in, as certain channels enforce character limitations. For example, in case of responding to an SMS, only 160 characters can be included in one message block. Messages with more than 160 characters will be broken into multiple messages when delivered to your audience phone number. You may want to dress up your messages to include emoticons, photos, or videos to make them more interesting. Simply click on the proper icon at the bottom of the Type Your Message area to include them in your message. When including photos, a pop-up window appears on your screen to include an optional description. The text you enter here will be delivered along with the photo to your recipient. You can skip this window and continue sending without a description though. Be advised that picture and video files are limited to a certain size. If you get an error message when sending big files, consider reducing your file sizes before attempting to send them again. Instead of typing repetitive messages over and over again, you can save them as predefined response messages and simply call them from the Automatic Responses drop-down. Select one of the predefined response messages and edit it if need be, or just hit the send icon and the message will be on its way. Don't worry, editing here will not change the original predefined response message. To learn how to create predefined response messages, please watch the next video tutorial. To send messages to new or existing contacts, click on New Message menu item. It will open the New Message pop-up window. Enter the cell phone number of the new contact and type a message in the Type Your Message area. You may also recall predefined messages by clicking Automatic Responses drop-down. When you're ready, click the Send button to deliver the message. As soon as the message is sent to the audience, their number will be added to your contact list. You may then assign a name to the contact and save it. You can delete individual messages or delete an entire conversation. To delete an individual message, hover over on the message bubble you intend to delete. Then click on the trash can icon that appears on the rightmost corner of the message bubble. It will delete the message. To delete an entire conversation, click on the trash can icon on the top right corner of the message board. Upon confirmation, all messages included in that conversation will be deleted from the message board. Well, that may sound scary, so to help mitigate abuse or inadvertent deletion of messages, Zebyl Text Messaging for Business is equipped with archiving feature, which will retain all messages even if they're deleted by agents. We keep track of the timestamp of the delete action as well as the user information involved in the delete action. An account admin can retrieve deleted messages along with the agent name and the deletion date and time. You may use the print icon on the top right corner of the message board to print the messages in a conversation. Depending on the printers defined in your system, you can print to physical printers, PDF files, etc. To stop receiving messages from a particular contact, first select a contact from the contact list. Then click on the block contact icon on the top right corner of the message board. As soon as a contact is blocked, an advisory message is displayed in the message board area informing all agents of what just happened. To unblock a blocked contact, head over to the Contacts menu on the left-hand side and click on the Blocked Contacts. The summary view shows the total number of contacts in the blocked contact list. In the Action area, click on the View Contacts to see individual blocked contacts. To remove any from the list, simply click on Delete and Confirm. People may choose to unsubscribe to stop receiving text messages from your business by texting some words like stop, cancel, or unsubscribe. This will immediately add them to the unsubscribed contact list. Your text messaging account will no longer be able to send messages to unsubscribed contacts. The portal also allows agents to unsubscribe contacts on their behalf. First, select a contact, then head over to the top right corner of the message board and click on the Unsubscribe button to unsubscribe a contact on their behalf. To remove a contact from the unsubscribed contact list, head over to the Contacts menu and then click on Unsubscribed Contacts. The summary view shows the total number of contacts in this list. You can click on the View Contacts to see individual names in this list. To remove someone from the list, simply click on the Delete action. After confirming the removal, the contact can then receive messages from your account again. And with that said, we conclude this episode of the Zebyl Engagement Center video tutorial series. I hope this video helps you navigate around the portal smoothly, and see you in the next episode.